TV 24-inch. No. This is a touch. Yeah, this is a touch mix 6. So this is what the customer wants to do: replace all the caps, like the chain caps, and I think it's the output and the inputs. So let's see what's going on here. This package came from New Jersey. So here is the channel 10 that we're going to check. I'm going to test the screen to see if there is no damage on the screen during the shipping. Like there is some damage here in the connector. There is a wireless adapter here, and so let's plug it. You can see some blue light right there. Yeah, the screen works. I don't see any damage on it. Yeah, the touch screen works as well. Sure there is no cable here. Yep. Let's disconnect this one. And we connect the screen. This is just a ground. So there is the touch screen connector here on the bottom. We have the screen, and yes, we have a lot of bad capacitors. So you can see all these capacitors here. This one, this one, this one. These two here and these two here. All of them is bad. And that's what the chain capacitor the customer asked to replace. These ones here. But I don't see any crack in the solder here. We are going to go over them, put new solder. But I don't see any crack basically on this. The channel number 10. So the chain here. Yeah, the solder on the channel number 10, it looks good. Could be the contacts inside the port is getting a little bit wide. That's why it's not making a good connection. Alright, let's replace this capacitor first. We solder these ones and the port number 10. (183° solder paste is going to help to melt the, you can see, it's fall just by itself. So all the 10 capacitors are here. And let's start clearing the hole over there. Okay, see these two holes? Now it's clear. This one's here, it's not. All the holes are ready for the new capacitor. So this is the capacitor that I use. They are a little bit bigger than the old one. See the size. And this one can handle more heat than this one. How these capacitors get the top of it like that is pumped. The oil inside it is get hot and expanded. That's pushing the top of the capacitor to be like that. Sometimes you may see the leaking from the top here, or you can see it from the bottom here. So this is the negative side of the capacitor, and we have a negative mark over there. So the positive side is longer than the negative. So that's going to be more easy to put the positive first. And here I see a little bit. The capacitor was leaking on the board from the bottom. solder the channel, the main left and the right. And we solder the channel number 10. It's right here. Yeah, we move the pin, so that's going to push the solder to go to the other side. Alright, we're just gonna put it together and ship it back to the customer. So we are in the channel 10. The main left and the main right, both of them, they work the same lever. And yeah, I wiggle the input chain and I can see the signal still over there. Good. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you again.